Guys, my name is Mary, or Hard Left Yogi. This is Loki, who has decided to stay on my mat through all my videos. So, hey, yoga with dogs, right? Okay, so we're talking about core strength and what that really means. A lot of times we tend to think that it's just sucking in our lower belly, but our solar plexus are part of the equation. So one of the things that I like to think of, a way to think of it, try a whole month of practice in every pose. As a matter of fact, everywhere you go doing this. So you're not only going to pull the low belly in, but you're also going to pull the upper abs back and let the shoulders rest on the upper abs. So you're gonna feel a connection, kind of a lift of the pelvic floor or the perineum or the space between your spaces. Get what I mean? Right? That has a lift while the navel draws back. The upper abs draw back so that the shoulders can relax down. At first you might feel like you can't get a full breath of air in, but this really allows this part of the body, the core of the body, to be stabilized. Think about it. It's all balancing on just these little vertebrae with muscles and tendons and ligaments. So we have to contract the core around it. So think about upper abs too. So pelvic floor, perineum lifts, lower belly draws back, upper abs draw back, and you can think about your shoulder blades resting down on that. Try that even when you're doing things like pulling your hands up in Warrior One. So when you're in your Warrior One, if you notice that your shoulders are coming up, see if you can push your feet into the floor, feel your perineum or your pelvic floor move up, the navel move back, the upper abs move back, and then you can start to relax those shoulders and they'll go more erect along your ears. Try that ab movement for the next several classes, see if it helps you. If you lose it, reestablish the strength and the contraction with your exhale. It'll be much easier. Bye guys.